Mm-hmm.
Bro, you know what? I want to go down that for a second, especially in our space, and I think in a lot of marketer space, because of again, we can sit in our underwear behind a computer and make money.
Yeah.
That like what you just mentioned, I think is actually there. It's happening for sure, but I don't think it's happening enough. Like I see this scarcity mindset in the space where
Yes.
like I might get something to click or pop, and I'm like, I don't want to tell anyone. Like, versus the exact opposite, like you said. I think at least for myself, and it sounds like you guys have experienced too. The more I share, the more I give. Or yep, here's what's working for us today. The more I'll get messages of people saying like, oh, I tried this and learned this. Oh, have you tried this software? With like,
Totally.
The more open I've been and give, the more I've received, which has allowed a lot of the stuff to be successful. Versus like people in the space, even early days, you're like, oh, this keyword is popping. It's like, I'm not going to say a word to anyone. Otherwise, they might steal my shit and they might get my thing. It's like, dude, that's going to happen regardless. It's like what stops me from getting the iPhone? It's branding. It's speed of innovation. Like there's all these other modes to build around relationships.
Absolutely, man.
Around your business. There's nothing stopping, someone in China from making an iPhone, but why do we buy Apple iPhones? It's because of all, they iterate by the time you come out with it. So
totally,
if you bet on yourself and your speed of innovation among, some of the other things I mentioned too, I think you're always going to win out in the long term versus the scarcity mindset that, you can become rich off scarcity mindset. You become wealthy with abundant mindset.
Mm-hmm. Agreed, man. Agreed. I think that leads to another thing too, which you said, but like the reverse of it is like never get complacent in this game because things are changing. And it's not always something even new. It's just like something that didn't work as well before is now working fucking great again because no one's doing it. Like I heard guys are killing direct mail right now.
You got it, bro. And it's funny. Yeah. You focus on, I learned or read somewhere, you focus on what everybody else says doesn't work and you double down on it. I remember we made $1 million off lead ads when everybody said lead. Like we literally on one of our verticals didn't even have a website for like a year. We were making like multi-million dollars off lead ads and everybody said that shit didn't work. And we were like, let's figure out how to make this shit work. You know what I mean? And it's like, so you nailed it. It's like direct mail, all the ugly dirt. Like it's Facebook ads are fun. We still do Facebook ads and being dramatic here, but like, I don't want to do Facebook ads. Everyone's talking about it. If they're talking about it, it's too late at that point. It's like CBD. Again, I don't mean it just like this, but everyone's talking about it. You probably missed the boat, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I find that for jumping on niches too, because like me personally, I just run affiliate lead gen shit. So I'm always like testing new stuff. And once I see like a niche or something pop, I'm like, I'm going to ride this train as hard as I can right now because I know it's going to be dead in like 3 to 6 months.
You got it, bro. You got it.
But at the same time though, like all you take is that skill set, you apply it to a new vertical, new traffic source, whatever it is, and you're like pounding the game.